Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through setting up Freshdesk for your small team in just the first 60 minutes. Whether you're new to help desk software or switching from another tool, this guide will help you get started quickly and efficiently. We'll cover everything from signing up, basic configurations, adding your team, and making sure you're ready to handle customer queries smoothly. Let's dive in and make your support process seamless from the very beginning. The first step is signing up for Freshdesk. Head over to the Freshdesk website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to enter your work email, company name, and create a password. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link in your inbox to activate your account. This process is quick and straightforward, ensuring you're ready to move on to the next steps without delay. Once your account is active, you'll be taken to your Freshdesk dashboard. Once you log in, you'll land on the Freshdesk dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The dashboard is your command center, showing ticket overviews, recent activity, and quick access to key features. On the left, you'll find navigation for tickets, contacts, reports, and settings. This is where you'll manage all your support operations. Spend a few minutes clicking through the main sections to get comfortable with the interface before making any changes. Before inviting your team, set up your own profile. Click on your avatar or name in the top right corner and select Profile Settings. Here, you can add your photo, update your name, and set your preferred language and time zone. Personalizing your profile helps your team and customers recognize you easily. Make sure your contact information is accurate, as this will be used in notifications and ticket assignments. Now it's time to bring your team on board. Go to the Admin section and select Agents. Click Add Agent and enter each team member's name and email address. Assign appropriate roles, such as Agent or Admin, depending on their responsibilities. Each member will receive an invitation email to join your Freshdesk account. This step ensures everyone has access and can start collaborating on support tickets right away. Freshdesk allows you to assign different roles to your team members. The main roles are Agent, who handles tickets, and Admin, who manages settings and configurations. There's also the Supervisor role for overseeing performance. Assign roles based on your team's structure and responsibilities. This ensures everyone has the right level of access and can perform their tasks efficiently. To ensure customer queries reach your team, set up your support email. In the Admin section, go to Email and add your support address, such as support@yourcompany.com. Freshdesk will provide instructions to forward emails from your domain to your Freshdesk inbox. This setup allows all incoming support requests to be automatically converted into tickets, streamlining your workflow. Every business has unique needs, so customizing ticket fields is important. In the Admin panel, select Ticket Fields. Here, you can add or remove fields like priority, type, or custom categories. Tailor these fields to match your workflow, making it easier for your team to categorize and prioritize incoming tickets. This customization helps you gather the right information from the start. If your team handles different types of queries, set up groups. In the Admin area, click Groups and create categories like technical support or billing. Assign agents to each group based on their expertise. This way, tickets can be automatically routed to the right team, improving response times and customer satisfaction. Make your support portal feel like part of your brand. Go to Admin and select Portals. Here, you can upload your company logo, choose brand colors, and customize the welcome message. A branded portal builds trust with your customers and provides a consistent experience across all touchpoints. Define your team's working hours to manage customer expectations. In the Admin panel, find business hours and set your team's availability. You can specify weekdays, weekends, and holidays. This helps Freshdesk calculate response times and ensures tickets are assigned only when agents are available. Service Level Agreements, SLAs, help you define response and resolution times for tickets. In Admin, go to SLA Policies and set targets for first response and resolution based on ticket priority. This ensures your team meets customer expectations and helps you track performance against your goals. Save time by creating canned responses for common queries. In the Admin panel, select Canned Responses and add templates for frequent questions. Your team can insert these replies with a click, ensuring consistent and speedy communication with customers. Automate repetitive tasks to boost efficiency. In Admin, go to Automations and set up rules for ticket assignment, status updates, or notifications. For example, you can automatically assign tickets with the word urgent to a specific agent. Automation helps your team focus on what matters most. Stay updated with real-time notifications. In your profile settings, enable email and desktop notifications for new tickets, replies, or escalations. This ensures your team never misses an important update and can respond promptly to customer needs. Before going live, test your setup by creating a sample ticket. Use your support email or the portal to submit a query. Check if the ticket appears in the dashboard, is assigned correctly, and triggers the right notifications. This step helps you catch any issues before customers start reaching out. Freshdesk uses ticket statuses like open, pending, resolved, and closed to track progress. Review these statuses and customize them if needed in the admin panel. Clear statuses help your team and customers understand where each ticket stands in the support process. Enable your customers to submit and track tickets through a self-service portal. In admin, go to Portals and activate the customer portal. Customize its appearance and set up FAQs or knowledge base articles to help customers find answers quickly. A knowledge base empowers customers to find solutions on their own. In admin, select Solutions and start adding articles for common issues or questions. Organize articles by category and keep content clear and concise. This reduces ticket volume and improves customer satisfaction. Make it easy for customers to reach you by setting up contact forms. In the admin panel, go to Portals and customize the contact form fields. Collect essential information like name, email, and issue type to streamline ticket creation and resolution. Freshdesk integrates with many popular tools like Slack, CRM systems, and project management apps. In admin, go to Apps and browse available integrations. Connect the tools your team already uses to centralize communication and boost productivity. Support on the go is vital for small teams. Download the Freshdesk mobile app from your app store and log in with your credentials. The app lets you view, respond to, and manage tickets from anywhere, ensuring your team stays responsive even when away from their desks. Protect your data by configuring security settings. In admin, review options like two-factor authentication, password policies, and session timeouts. These measures help keep your teams and customers' information safe from unauthorized access. Double-check that each agent has the correct permissions. In admin, go to Roles and review what each role can access or modify. Adjust permissions as needed to balance security and productivity, ensuring agents have the tools they need without unnecessary access. Customize how tickets are displayed for your team. In the Tickets section, create custom views based on criteria like status, priority, or group. This helps agents focus on the most important tickets and manage their workload efficiently. Filters allow agents to quickly find tickets that need attention. In the Tickets section, set up filters for criteria like overdue, high priority, or unassigned tickets. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks and urgent issues are addressed promptly. A ticket's journey from creation to closure is called its life cycle. Understanding this helps your team manage tickets efficiently. Tickets move through statuses like open, pending, resolved, and closed. Each status represents a stage in the support process, ensuring nothing is left unresolved. Not all tickets are created equal. In admin, go to Ticket fields and define priority levels such as low, medium, high, and urgent. This helps your team triage tickets and address the most critical issues first, improving customer satisfaction. Categorize tickets by type to streamline support. In admin, edit ticket fields to include types like question, incident, problem, or feature request. This helps agents quickly understand the nature of each ticket and respond appropriately. Tags help you organize and search tickets easily. In the Tickets section, add relevant tags to tickets, such as bug, feature, or VIP. Tags make it simple to filter, report, and analyze trends in customer queries. Automate ticket assignments to the right agents or groups. In admin, go to Automations and create rules based on ticket type, priority, or keywords. This ensures tickets are handled by the most qualified team members, speeding up resolution times. Ensure urgent tickets get the attention they need by setting up escalation rules. In admin, use automations to escalate tickets that remain unresolved for a set time. Escalated tickets can be reassigned or flagged for management review, preventing delays. Keep your team informed with ticket notifications. In admin, configure notification settings for events like new tickets, updates, or assignments. Agents can customize their own notification preferences to stay on top of their workload. Templates help agents create tickets quickly and consistently. In admin, go to Ticket Templates and create templates for common issues. Agents can use these templates to pre-fill ticket details, saving time and reducing errors. Macros allow agents to perform multiple actions on tickets with a single click. In admin, set up macros for repetitive tasks like closing tickets, sending follow-ups, or updating statuses. This boosts productivity and ensures consistent processes. Workflows define how tickets move through your support process. In admin, map out your ideal workflow using automations, statuses, and assignments. Clear workflows help your team handle tickets consistently and efficiently from start to finish. Service level agreements, SLAs, are crucial for maintaining high support standards. In admin, define SLA policies for different ticket types and priorities. Set clear response and resolution targets to keep your team accountable and customers happy. Reports help you track your team's performance and identify trends. In the Reports section, create custom reports for metrics like ticket volume, response times, and customer satisfaction. Use these insights to improve your support process over time. Dashboards provide a real-time overview of your support operations. In reports, customize dashboards to display the most important metrics for your team. Share dashboards with your team to keep everyone aligned and focused on goals. Gather feedback from customers by enabling satisfaction surveys. In admin, set up surveys to be sent automatically after tickets are resolved. Use customer feedback to identify strengths and areas for improvement in your support process. If you have multiple groups, set up group-specific SLAs. In admin, assign different SLA policies to each group based on their responsibilities. This ensures each team meets the right targets and delivers consistent service. Track how much time your team spends on each ticket. In admin, enable time tracking and encourage agents to log their work. This data helps you optimize processes and allocate resources more effectively. Collaboration features help your team work together on complex tickets. Use private notes, ticket assignments, and internal discussions to share information and resolve issues faster. Encourage open communication for better teamwork. Let's recap what you've accomplished in your first hour with Freshdesk. You've set up your account, added your team, configured essential settings, and tested your workflow. Double-check each section to ensure nothing is missed. With these foundations in place, your team is ready to deliver excellent customer support from day one. Congratulations, you've completed your Freshdesk setup for a small team in just 60 minutes. As you continue, explore advanced features like automation, reporting, and integrations to further enhance your support process. Check out Freshdesk's Help Center and community forums for more tips and best practices. Your journey to outstanding customer support has just begun.